These are the Green Mountain Coffee Roasters Breakfast Blend Coffee K-Cups. And they're 4 Keurig machines, and they just taste delicious. They are for single serve coffees, and it's a light roast coffee pod. So how they make this is they put freshly ground coffee inside these little K-Cup pods. And then when the hot water saturates the freshly ground beans, it flows through the paper filter. And the gentle pressure extracts every ounce of this rich, full flavored coffee. And it just tastes delicious. Very bold, yet light flavor. Very silky and smooth too. I really like it, and I think you will too. Plus, these K-Cup pods, they're also recyclable too. Okay, here I am at the office. Time to have a cup of coffee. Ah, it smells so good. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.